Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to transfer gift card to Apple Pay. So not all transfers of a gift card to Apple Pay will be successful, but it's here how to do it. So you'll go to your wallet right here. So basically this is another layout because it's not available in my country right here. As you can see here in the wallet, you're going to have to press the top right corner and tap the plus. So you're going to add the wallet, and then here there's going to be previous cards, apply for a new Apple card, set up Apple Pay later, add Apple account, debit or credit, and transit card. So basically, you're gonna put it in your debit or credit card, and then you can add money. But if that doesn't work, there's another solution to that. So here we go back and tap the plus button. From there, we're gonna go add the wallet right here, and then debit or credit, then add card. From adding the card, you will have to enter the card details manually, of course. And then here, you'll just have to place your name and the card number. And not all of it will work. And then if it doesn't work, there's no workaround to it. You'll just have to use it in an Apple store because that's the purpose of it and you cannot use it in Apple Pay. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.